we are going to practice counting with numbers again. Let's practice counting objects like we did last time. Now, what number do you always start counting with? You're right, the number 1. We always start with the number 1. And when we count, let's move our objects to make sure we're counting the right way. 1, 2, 3. How many apples are there? 3. There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Now parents, watch your children because they can sometimes count 1, 2, 3, 4, but make sure that you always touch and say a number. 1, 2, 3. Don't say a number unless you're touching an object, and only say one number at a time. Don't add a bunch of numbers together when you're counting. All right, let's try another one. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2. There are 2. Now, some things you can do at home to practice counting. Practice counting socks, practice counting shoes, practice counting toys. If you see things at the grocery store, count and see how many Cheerio boxes there are. Count how many, count how many people are in your house. Count how many chairs are around your table. Right now, let's work on practicing up to 5, but if your child can go even higher, let's see if you can count up to 10. Also, point out numbers when you see them, when you see numbers in your house, when you see numbers outside at the store, okay? Point out numbers and decide if it's a number or a letter. Remember, letters are with our ABCs when we sing our ABCs, and letters look like this. And numbers look like this. Numbers are what we use for counting. Letters are what we use for making words and writing our names.